welcome to Ed Foodie. Today we're going to make a homemade pizza, and I'm really interested in this pizza dough. It's only got 2 ingredients, so I'm really anxious to see how well this works. So let's get started on this.
All right, this sounds almost too easy, but let's give it a try. I have 1.5 cups of self-rising flour. Make sure you get self-rising flour. And that's basically flour that's got either baking soda in it or some instant yeast. Then just to that, we're gonna add 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt. And if this works good, I've already got some ideas of for a dessert pizza, possibly using like vanilla yogurt or even a fruit flavored yogurt. So you'd have a little sweeter crust and then put, strawberries and jam and stuff on top of it for dessert. But let's try the regular pizza first. So we're just gonna mix this and knead it until we get to like a dough consistency. Of course, if you had a nice mixer with a dough hook on there, that definitely would be the way to do it. This kind of reminds me of when I was a kid. Our big thing was when Mom made Chef Boyardee pizza, and we'll end up doing the same thing here. We'll knead this, and for some reason my mom always put a towel over top of it. I guess that was just to keep the dust off, and then put it in a warm place and let it sit for I don't know how long, but to let that yeast start to work in there. So I think what we'll do is cover this, and I'll take it upstairs where it's nice and warm, and we'll let this sit for maybe an hour. And all right, so I've gone ahead and let this rise for about 2 hours. I don't know if you really needed to do it that long. To make this dough being able to be picked up and spread out, I want to add just a little bit more flour on the outside. It's a pretty soft dough. I don't have a round pizza pan, so I'm going to do my best just to do it on a square cookie sheet. Critical thing is to spray with cooking spray. I like my pizza fairly thick, not too thin. Yeah, it's an oblong. It's not quite a circle. It's all right. So now just put on your favorite pizza toppings. And by the way, I have the oven preheated to 500 degrees. You can use your favorite pizza sauce. I'm just using some bottled spaghetti sauce. All right, that looks good to me. I'm gonna put some chopped onions on mine. And I have some chopped bell pepper. I just have yellow, that's all I had. So the important thing is here, I'm just interested to know how this pizza crust is going to be with just the 2 ingredients. I'm going to put maybe a small layer of Parmesan cheese. I have some leftover smoked Gouda from that breakfast recipe I made the other day, so I'm going to do maybe half of it. Then I'll just put some regular grated cheese on her half. I do have some pepperoni. And then I'm going to put just a little bit more Parmesan. We'll put it in the oven. It's, like I said, 500-degree oven. I'll check it in like 10 minutes. And we'll see if the outside crusts are starting to turn brown. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. Let's pull it out of the oven. I'm gonna let it cool just a little bit so it'll cut easier. Okay, so here's, it looks good. You know, it's so easy to make, and it's probably a lot cheaper than buying the packaged. And I know it's cheaper than the frozen. I like some red pepper flakes on mine. It's a very good crust. And I like my crust kind of soft and chewy, and this is perfect. I don't like it thin and crunchy. It's still a little bit hot here, but yeah, this is really a nice way of doing it. Sorry. You eat it New York style.
Good.
Not bad, is it? Yeah. 2 ingredients.
Better than that one on.
Oh, the frozen, yes, of course. Good. That's, pretty quick and easy pizza. Especially now, we've only gone out to eat one time since the coronavirus, and it was a pizza. We brought it home, put it in the oven for 10 more minutes. But, this is good stuff, and it's very easy to make and safe. So if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to Ed Foodie right over there. You got that in the corner, right over there.